In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to add admins on a Facebook page. So let's get started. So first is that you want to log in to the Facebook page or Facebook account with the permission to add Facebook page admins into your Facebook page. So in my case, I'm now already logged into my page. If not, then you can navigate here on the top right and then you can choose your page from here. You can basically do the same thing on the mobile app, basically the same process, just with a different UI. So first is that you want to go into the profile of your Facebook page. Once you're here, you want to navigate here under manage a page, and then you would simply need to go into your page settings. So if you're in mobile, you need to go into your page settings, click here on settings. And now in here is that you want to navigate into the page setup, or in mobile, you could already see the page access. So once you're here in page setup, click here on page access. And now in here, you just simply want to go here to the people with Facebook access. You want to click here on add new. And then from here, you want to make sure that you are aware of this notice and click on next to continue. And basically from here, you just need to provide their name here on Facebook or simply their email, and then they would receive an email invitation for being an admin or whatever role you will set here in your Facebook page. For example, I'm just going to go for this person. And then from here, you'll now be able to see that they can manage this following. You can also allow that they will have a full control if you'd want to, but you want to only do this if you fully trust this person. If not, then you can just click here on give access, and then you would now need to enter your Facebook profile password to confirm that this person should have Facebook access to this page. So you just need to provide your password. And after that, click on confirm, and it will now be sent to that person. They will now have the invitation to become a Facebook admin into this page. You could also go with people with task access. You can click on add new, and then basically the same process. You can add a name, email, and then after that, you can now select which permission you would like to grant them right here. So this is a much safer option, as you could only select a few options right here to give this person. So that's it on how you'd be able to add Facebook admin on Facebook page. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.